The real estate market is changing for sure. We all know that. We can all feel that as real estate agents. What's it going to look like in the next 6 months? Yeah, I don't think any of us really know. What I do know, though, is we as real estate agents are definitely going to have to be doing some things differently in our business. Hi, I'm Eric Lowry with the Lowry team, and today I just want to invite you to a business building workshop that I'm doing on Wednesday, July 27th at Firehouse Grill in Blue Ash from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. It's a quick, fast-paced 2-hour workshop on what is it we need to do differently. And then at from 4 to 5, we're going to have a little happy hour networking event for everyone that attends. Everybody will get a free drink ticket, and we'll just continue the conversation a little bit and do a little bit of networking. So Wednesday, July 27th from 2 to 4, Blue Ash, in Blue Ash at the Firehouse Grill, networking happy hour from 4 to 5. But in the event, what are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about some things that we definitely are going to have to look at changing or working on in our business. They include things like the mindset moving forward. What's it going to look like for us as agents? And what do we need to be thinking about? And what do we need to be focusing our time and efforts on? How are we going to need to change our lead generation tactics? Do we need some new strategies? Do we need to get rid of some of the old ones maybe? How do we have conversations with sellers today when listings aren't selling in a matter of hours? How are we having those conversations with buyers when all of a sudden there are more things to choose from? And maybe there's going to be some opportunities to negotiate on some of these listings as things start to calm down, to normalize, whatever word you choose to use. And lots of people using lots of different words to describe it right now. So I just want to shoot a quick message, invite you to come to our business building workshop. The market is changing, now what? On July 27th, Firehouse Grill in Blue Ash from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. It is only for 2 hours. It is going to be action-packed, full of actionable strategies. We're also going to talk about what you want to talk about. Got a challenge, something you're uncertain of, something you need to work on in your business. Bring it up, and let's mastermind around it and come up with some solutions. I hope you can make it. I'm looking forward to it. I hope you are too. See you soon.